So in 2 minutes or under, I'm just going to run you through the data stroke disks section of the RoboShadow, which you can find by selecting here, but really just wanted to give a bit of a view in terms of how to manage encryption in an environment in this day and age. So BitLocker, as I think, been a really good and successful rollout from Microsoft. People are not really using much else now, and it's fairly easy to interact with. But what I really want to take you through is some of the nuances around sort of BitLocker and encryption in general. So from a laptop perspective, if someone gets drunk and leaves their laptop on a train, then here in the UK, we have to report them to the Information Commissioner's Office, I believe is what the ICO stands for, because that's a big no-no, because that can have client data on it. Now, if the workstations and servers are behind locked doors in locked data centers, you can take a view that they're less critical to need to have their hard disk encrypted. However, as a rule, if you can do the encryption, you should have that enabled. So, but it is the unencrypted laptops for us, which is the most important one to see. And then also, just from a security perspective, quite often people are interested in how many USB disks, USB keys that we've got out there as well. So hopefully this should give a general quick overview in terms of what are the top 5 machines that are unencrypted out there. And down here, we've got a little bit more detail. Now, as you can see, we've gone into a bit more detail around what shares are available from a storage perspective. So this is certainly an area of the platform that we're going to be growing out in some more detail, but this should just give an idea of disk space as well, whether or not it's encrypted or not, and if it's removable storage or internal storage and all of that good stuff. But for me, the big takeaway here is just making sure that all of your laptops, which is reported on the main dashboard as well, making sure that all of your laptops do have BitLocker enabled. They're the ones that's going to cause a few challenging conversations if someone loses a laptop and you know that it's not unencrypted as well. So thank you ever so much for watching.